I'm Brett Leitner, one of the partners at personal injury firm Leitner Varghese in New York. I want to talk to you about one of the most common causes of serious and sometimes deadly injury in nursing homes, falling. Most people know that falling down can often lead to serious injury, but when an elderly nursing home resident falls, this can often lead to devastating injuries due to fragile bones and other existing medical conditions. Because fall accidents happen so often in nursing homes, many people don't realize that nursing homes are required by law to take measures to prevent fall accidents as much as possible. When your loved one is admitted into a nursing home, and also throughout their admission, the nursing home must properly determine what their risk of falling is. Depending on how much of a risk the resident is of falling, there are several preventative measures that the nursing home can put into place to lessen the risk of accident and injury. Some of the available measures of accident prevention that a nursing home can provide, depending on the circumstances, include the following. The nursing home can provide a bed alarm and a chair alarm to alert staff if a resident attempts to get out of the bed or the chair without assistance. The nursing home can provide frequent monitoring or rounding by the nursing staff to check on the resident to see whether they need anything, such as food, water, help going to the bathroom, help getting dressed, help getting changed, or to be taken to the activity room. The nursing home can provide frequent toileting by the nursing staff, either to assist the resident in going to the bathroom or changing the resident if they wear adult briefs or diapers. Providing a bed that is very close to the floor in case a resident rolls out of bed or falls from the bed is another intervention the nursing home can provide. Providing proper footwear to prevent residents from slipping. Providing undergarments with padding to limit the risk of hip and leg injury. Finally, providing gym mats on the floor next to the bed to prevent injury. These are just a few of the available interventions that may be used to prevent falls. If your loved one has fallen down in a nursing home, it is important to make sure that the nursing staff has properly assessed them to determine whether they suffered an injury. Depending on the fall, an X-ray may be necessary to see if there were any fractures to the legs, hips, arms, spine, or other areas. An MRI or a CAT scan may be necessary to determine whether they suffered any head or brain injury in the fall. Finally, if you have any questions about any injuries sustained in a nursing home, we invite you to call our firm at 212-671-1110 or visit us online at lvlawny.com. Thank you.